Welcome back to our YouTube channel, MC Memory Connect. My name is Cez, and if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please consider subscribing. We have the link down below. Today is our day 6, and our final day for our Smile Cosmetic Whitening Teeth Pack review. Okay, so I'm so excited. Today is the final day. Ngayon magkakaalaman. Cez CONVO. So thank you very much for tuning in to this channel, and I am so excited to be talking to you today about this new product that I just discovered just recently, and I hope you get value out of this review. And okay, so as always, before we put on the film strips, we need to first brush your teeth thoroughly and use a gargle and use some mouthwash to gargle if you have any at your home. And number 2, prepare your timer. Time yourself for 3 to 5 minutes. In my case, I do 5 minutes para sulit na sulit ang teeth whitening base product. And tissue to pat dry your teeth before putting on the film strips. Okay, so alam nyo na yan. This is the 6th day. So kabisado nyo na yung dapat gawin before putting in the film strips. So let's do this, and I'm so excited to show it to you later. So see you in a few. Okay, so I already brushed my teeth. See, it's clean, okay?
Magaling ka na maglagay, mahal. Yes.
First done. 5 minutes. Start. See you later. 5 seconds. 4, 2, 1. Okay, time's up. Mamimiss ko yung pagda-timer. Okay guys, so now I'm going to brush my teeth, but before that, as always, we have to take it off. Hala, ang dikit. Dikit na ngayon, ha? Bakit kaya?
Final na.
Kasi final na. It doesn't wanna let go! Parang pag-ibig lang. Sa huli, kumakapit pa rin.
Ay, hugot pa more, girl!
Kaya nga akong hiwalayan. Okay, so I'm going to brush my teeth thoroughly, and I will see you later. Alligator. Bye. Okay guys, I'm back. So I just brushed my teeth and may bago ba? So today is our day 6 and final day for our review, and so for me, I think Smile Cosmetic Tooth Whitening is a yes. It's a thumbs up. Why? First, because in my case, just for me, in my opinion, I think it's indeed true that it becomes like 1.5 shade whiter on your first treatment, and to the next, and now we've come down to the final day, and I think that if you really keep using the product, then you'll see results. So in my case, I've only used the product for 6 days, and actually I was wondering what if I do this, I continue using this product for a month, and we'll see if I'd get like better results. You know, I've just used this product for 6 days, and like any other products, like any other products, this is not some kind of a magic, you know, na pag ininom mo or ginamit mo yung isang product, like you have an instant effect that say you're gonna be whiter or you're gonna be this and that. So I do believe that for you to be able to really get results, better results, or even best results, then you have to really continue the product. If you are into it, or if you are used to using that product, or if hiyang ka, like we say in Filipino, or like what we say in the Philippines. Yan. So try it for yourself, as I've been telling you for the past 5 days. See it for yourself and let me know if you have any feedback. Let me know if you have any
Good result.
ano?
Good result.
Let me know if you let me know if it works for you. Iba-iba po kasi tayo, so it might work for me but it might not for you, or vice versa. It might work for you but it might not work for me. So the only way to find out is to try for yourself. You can never go wrong. No. Ano yung sinabi ko dati? It doesn't hurt to try anyway. It doesn't hurt to try anyway. So yeah, in Japanese we always say yatte minai to wakaranai desu yo. Yatte minai to wakaranai. So it means you'll never know if you're not gonna try it. So go for it. Try it. Before you try this product, make sure you have read the instructions. I know this is in Japan. I bought this at Loft, by the way. At Loft, La Zona Kawasaki Plaza on the 3rd floor. And this is all in Japanese. And even the instruction manual inside is also in Japanese. So if you could not read any Japanese at all, or if you cannot read Japanese at all, try to Google it and search for the Smile Cosmetic Teeth Whitening, how to use, because Google knows it all. Yeah. And also to the mommies out there, why not try it for yourself, diba? Parang we mommies should also feel good and feel more confident about ourselves. I know these past few months, or a year now, we have been using the mask and even face shields in the Philippines or in any other country, but here in Japan we only use masks like every day of our lives, and so people can see our teeth, so hindi masyado ma-appreciate ng mga tao. But if you're just at home, you can ask your family or your husband if you guys want to try the product and see for yourself if it works for you. Also, if you have friends who are just like me, who loves coffee and tea, yung every day I drink coffee. I love coffee so much. I'm such a coffee addict. So it stains easily. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why I kind of curious about this product, because I really wanted to have like my teeth whitened. So I tried this for myself, and maybe you're gonna try other products as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video until the very end, and I really appreciate you subscribing to our YouTube channel. Up to this day, we already have 129 subscribers. Sing naman kayo, because I could not see everyone in the list. So, but the others, I could see your names, and I would like to thank every one of you for subscribing to our YouTube channel, and I am very touched and I'm very happy that you guys are supporting our family vlog. And for those of you who haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please, 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 pretty please, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have enjoyed this video, or if you have enjoyed our previous videos of previous vlogs, this is actually our 10th. No, this is actually our 11th episode, our 11th vlog in total. So thank you so much for always supporting our channel, and we hope you also hit the like button, share, subscribe, and leave us a comment down below if you have any contents, or if you have any requests for our family to do, or even myself, for this segment of Cez CONVO.
Shout out of the day.
So again, thank you very much, and I will see you again in our next videos. Thank you very much, guys. Stay safe, everyone, and always remember to love your family, because family is everything. Bye. Stay safe.